Lights, camera, action.
Hi, in this video I explain how to use a structure in a scene language. After defining a structure or your structure, if you don't know how to do so, you can check the link in the description below. So, in order to use or to add values or to assign values to your structure, you have to assign values to the element of your structure. Like in here, our person type is defined or contain the field family name, first name, and age. So in order to assign values to the type person or the variable of type person, we have to assign values to the elements of that structure. Then the type to assign values to this element, you will consider this element as variables of the type defined or used to define this element. For example, age element is declared as int, so to assign a value to age, I will consider age as int. To do so, I will simply use the name of the structure of the variable of structure type, as in here it's person, and I will use the dot operator with the name or followed by the name of the element, and then I will assign to it the desired value. For example, in here my age is declared as int, so I will assign to assign a value to this element. I will simply assign the value I want directly to this to the element. Now, since family name and first name are declared as strings or as arrays of char, we can't assign directly to them. So this is why I'm using another way to do so. So I'm using the printf function to copy the value John, in this example, to the element or to the field family name and the field's family name and first name. The same thing to access to the values. Always use the point or the dot operator followed by the name of the field. As in here, I want to print the content of family name, first name, and age. So I will simply type the name of the variable, which is declared as the structure, then the point or the dot operator followed by the name of the field or the element that define my structure. In here, we can compile. And you can see it printed out the content of the element of my variable. If you want more videos about structures or about any other subject related to C language, please let me know in the comments below. Bye!